Travel back in time on the New York and Lake Erie Railroad aboard an exclusive photo charter. On July 31st, you'll have the chance to ride the train from Gowanda to Cherry Creek, New York, stopping at many locations along the way to capture vintage Alco locomotives in operation. You will also be able to obtain rare mileage between South Dayton and Cherry Creek, New York, where normal excursions don't operate. This charter gives you the opportunity to meet rail fans from far and wide, capture quality photos and videos at carefully selected locations, and enjoy an extended train ride on the former Erie Railroad Buffalo and Southwestern branch, once running from Buffalo to Waterboro, New York. To purchase tickets, please check out the link in the description for a flyer and order form. This event only has a limited number of seats available, so be sure to reserve yours before the event is sold out.